guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Guys, it's Marissa, and I am going to have a surprise for you guys. I know I did not say anything about a prize for the video that I put up, the collaboration video that I put up for the Kiwi Lane August kit. So, surprise! I'm actually giving away a prize, and I'm going to insert it here in the screen. So, this prize is I'm going to give this out to a lucky commenter from my video. And by the way, guys, I'm also going to link the video of the lucky winner of the commenters from our collaborative video hop, if you will, of the August Club kit that I've had done with my creative partners. And I'm going to link the video right here. And I'm also going to put it down in the description below so you can go ahead and click on that link to find out who the winner is for the collaborative videos that we have done with my creative partners. Now, going back to the winner of the comments or the commenter from my video, I'd like to go ahead and I'm using the YouTube random comment picker here. This is the first time I'm using this, guys, so bear with me. I think I can go ahead and put the URL here of my video. There you go. And then I'm going to get the YouTube comments. So I have 26 commenters here that I have down here. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to pick the random winner. So are you guys ready? Because I am so excited for you guys. So I am not even going to check if the commenter is, or the lucky commenter is a subscriber or not. I am hoping you're a subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber yet, I'm hoping you'll subscribe. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start picking the winner. And the winner is Salty Beach Scrapper. And I even have the comment. She said, love this layout. I never would have thought of using templates. I think that it is the neatest idea. Now you can set up the page before you ever cut or use tape. The Southwest team is also too cute. Yes, it is very cute, isn't it? Anyway, guys, congratulations, Salty Beach Scrapper. Please email me at scrapbookshawaii@yahoo.com, and I will go ahead and send you your price. I will need your full name and your address, please. If you could please send me your address. Again, congratulations, Salty Beach Scrapper. And guys, watch out for our next month's collaborative videos. And we're very excited. This is so awesome. We're very happy with how it turned out. And I'm sure if you've watched all of our videos, you see all the different takes that we did for the kits and the different styles that we all have. As you know, I'm a very simple scrapper, therefore you get very simple layouts from me. I do bring out some a little bit more advanced layouts here and there, but I'm a very busy person right now. I have a full-time job, so the fastest I can do a layout is better for me. Anyway, guys, thank you again so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.